Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I will be installing my Goose gear plate kitchen for my Jeep GL Rubicon. The delivery truck came early in the morning and shortly after that I was so pumped out to open the box and see what is inside. Give it 5, thanks for help. Alright guys, so I open everything, I unpackage everything and we have the hardware in those little bags, and that's how the Goose gear is looking. I only have 2 drawers since I'm not doing the full-time delete. Sophie is already liking it. You like it, Sophie? Mm-hmm. Yes? Okay, so right now I'm gonna start taking those boxes out. I'm gonna take the refrigerator out, I'm gonna clean up the area, and I'm gonna install the Goose gear plate system first before I start installing the cabinets themselves. Those are all the screws provided here by the Goose gear, and right now we're gonna install the plate with those screws. Make sure when you install your Goose gear plate you apply anti-seize for easy installation. Make sure guys you don't over tight this because you're working with wood and you don't want to overstrip the bolts as well. After I installed the plate system, I looked around if everything was installed correctly. After that I was ready to install the cabinets and the refrigerator holder. Alright guys, so this is the final product. I just installed those cabinets and a fridge slider with the stove. Everything works really good, everything slides out really easy. Unfortunately my fridge doesn't slide. I mean, that's not a surprise, I knew that. I was just like I didn't want to buy a new fridge because I thought I'm gonna fit it somehow, but it doesn't fit, so I'm just gonna buy a new fridge. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions you can ask me on the comments, but everything else is so nice and really nicely done, and I can just organize all my stuff here. It comes with the key. You can actually lock your drawers if you want, and if you keep really valuable stuff inside you can lock it. But that's how those shelves are looking. They're like super big, and I will be able to fit all my stuff inside. I'm super excited. Okay guys, so make sure you like and subscribe, and see you down the road. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and don't miss our next episode where we're going to tackle the most beautiful trails in the Bradshaw Mountains around Prescott with the center force clutches for the Run 2023. Alright guys, so we're gonna cook right now, but we have a problem. I put my Jeep on the rocks. It's really hard to reach, so I'm gonna lift Addison on the top of the bumper and she's gonna get all the food for us to cook. Okay, so what's the situation around the camp? Everybody's preparing, cooking. Everybody's here. But I want to show you something cool.